Hi, this is Becky Nunn from Nunn Design, and I'm on location here at Fusion Beads. In this video, I want to show you how you can mix Nunn Design resin with Glitter Roxs to create this fun look that you're seeing here. You'll have wanted to watch a video that I've done previously on how to mix Nunn Design resin and how to prepare your pendants and your rings and your earrings for resin. To do this, you'll want to take a very small amount of the mixed resin into the bezel. I like to work on a business card like you're seeing here because it allows me to move the piece around without interfering with the resin in any way. Next, I like to place some of the Glitter Roxs onto a separate little bag because it makes it really easy for me to control exactly how much I place into the bezel. Next, I'm just sprinkling some into the bezel and then using a toothpick to submerge it down into the resin. Next, take a tiny little bit more. It'll just take a small little drop and apply that over the top. And that's how you do a pendant. For the rings, it's the exact same process. Tiny little drop into the base. I put it in between two wooden blocks and put another little drizzle stick to give a nice flat surface. And this is an earring. He's a little bit too small to be in this spot because he's not quite level, but we'll go ahead and give him a shot here. So drizzle a small amount. It'll take just a tiny little bit of the Glitter Roxs inside of there. You can also mix multiple colors. You can put gold and this color turquoise in there, or just keep it all one solid color. Same as with our pendant. Just press it down. This is doing two things. One is pushing out any air bubbles that could be possibly trapped underneath. It's coating all of the little pieces of glitter rock to make sure that they're not sharp. This guy's just not level. We might have to move him over a little bit. And then apply a tiny bit of resin. Onto the top. In a previous video where I talk about preparing your work surface for using resin, I talk about using blocks like this and how it's important that you tape them off. This allows, if you have any overflow of the resin, it's very easy to remove it and to clean up the pieces. This is Becky Nunn with Nunn Design, showing you how you can use Nunn Design resin and Glitter Roxs to create this fun little collection of pieces.